Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase ticket numbers on Eventbrite. To increase the number of tickets available for an event on Eventbrite, these are the steps that you need to take. First, visit eventbrite.com and log into your Eventbrite account. And once logged in, on the Eventbrite homepage, click on your profile icon in the top right corner where your email address is displayed. In the drop-down menu, select Manage My Events. And that's going to take you into a new window. In this new window, click on Events in the left-hand navigation menu to see your list of events. On this page where you have all the list of your events, click on the event title for which you want to increase ticket availability. Then, once you click on the event title, let's say this is a draft I've been creating, so I'm just going to click on the event title. Clicking on the event title is going to take you to the event management page. On the event management page, go ahead and find tickets in the left-hand navigation menu, which you have here. So click on Add Ticket, and that's going to take you to the ticket management page. So in the ticket management page, locate the ticket type you want to increase. All right, so I have not created any ticket. So just go ahead and follow through any of the steps, either paid, free, or donation to create your tickets. So once you've created your ticket, on the tickets page, go ahead and locate the ticket type you want to increase. It could either be a general admission ticket. Now click Edit next to the ticket type to open the ticket settings. In the ticket details, find the quantity available field. Then update the number to reflect the new total of tickets you want available for this ticket type. Once you have increased the ticket quantity, you can click Save to confirm and apply the changes. Then check your event page to ensure that the ticket quantity has been updated as expected. Your ticket numbers are now increased and the additional tickets are available for attendees to purchase or register. So go over this from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.